welcome to Hey Big Grilling. Now tonight we're gonna make a street corn chicken bowl. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 4 chicken breasts. I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. Next, I'm gonna combine all of my seasonings for the chicken. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt, ½ teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, about 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Once you got those ingredients in there, just stir them all in together. Next, we're gonna take that seasoning. We're just gonna sprinkle it down in our Ziploc bag, and then you're gonna seal it off. We're just gonna shake it, get that chicken nice and coated in that seasoning. All right, next we're gonna take our chicken breast, and we're gonna put them on this tray, and it's gonna go in the air fryer for 25 minutes, but we're gonna flip them halfway through. Now in this bowl, we're gonna add 2 cups of corn. Now I went with the gold and white corn. You can go whatever corn you want, Southwest corn. It's all up to you. All right, so we got our corn in here. We're gonna do now is we're gonna squeeze. It calls for 2 teaspoons, but I don't think you can have too much lime juice, can you? So I'm doing one of these limes, cut it in half. We're gonna squeeze all the juice out of it. All right, next we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of this, and I'm going with a heaping tablespoon of this cotija cheese. It calls for 1 tablespoon of sour cream. I'm not gonna use a measuring. That's about a tablespoon, maybe a little over. Now, we're gonna add some mayo, but we're not just adding mayo. Miracle Whip. All right, so we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of mayo. All right, now that we got all those ingredients in here, we're just gonna stir this all in together, get it nice and blended. All right, for the record, there's supposed to be 1 more ingredient in here, and that is 1 tablespoon of cilantro. Well, pay attention when you go to the grocery store, because sometimes, if you're not paying attention, you will grab parsley. Ticked me off. Anyways, so we're going.
I didn't do it. Just did it.
Oh, so throw me under the bus. But anyways, so we're going without the cilantro. So we got our cooked rice. Now again, folks, if you've watched my channel for any period of time, you know I'm all about the bowl and bag rice. So we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. Actually, I'm going 1.5 teaspoons. Followed by the juice of 1 lime. And yes, this is where another instance where we would be adding a tablespoon of cilantro. And I will put that in the menu, or not the menu, but the recipe in the description of the video. So that way y'all can do it right. Then we're gonna stir that rice. All right, folks, so now we're back for the taste test. And look who finally came back from the beach. All tanned.
It won't last. It's fine.
Well, either ways. All right, my first bite, sorry. I'm going with chicken. You going with chicken too?
Yeah, I'm going with I'm a lefty, so.
Oh yeah, we should have swapped.
We're elbow bumping. It's
all
fine.
Right.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
That's really good chicken.
It's really good chicken.
And now to try the corn and rice without cilantro. Oh.
We didn't cheers me, but it's fine.
Because you're already spilling it everywhere. That needed to go straight down the hatch. But that was very good. Good flavor with the lime. But doing the corn and the lime, or in the rice taste test at the same time, I don't know if that come from the corn or from the lime, but either way, that bite was amazing. And then we have our limes lime wedges, so we squirted a little bit more lime juice on the top. But this is a very good meal, and it's a healthier option because we cooked our chicken in the air fryer. And rice, corn, I mean, okay, we threw a little bit of
some carbs,
sour cream, and mayo in there. But all in all, folks, it's a very good meal. Good. One that I would absolutely be making again, but remembering the cilantro. So y'all please let me know what you think of the video. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Folks, we've been out of practice. It's been a little bit, but that meal right there is